up, guys? John Hodges here.
Yeah, back again.
We have him back.
Autism.
The autistic one. Right now, we're gonna go look at a supercharger.
Yes, sir.
This video will not exist if we don't end up buying it. But if we do end up buying it, I'm about to have a supercharger. It's a Saleen Supercharger, so Saleen Supercharger, so it'll fit perfect. Can't wait. Aye. It's like zoomed in. Alright guys, we are now en route. We got some food at McDonald's and we're on our way. Gotta go check it out, see if the supercharger looks good. Kind of scared that there might be something wrong with it, but it's a great deal, so hopefully everything goes well. We'll check out back after we get the kit. I don't want to like film at the guest house, it's kind of weird, so gonna go check it out. We'll be back. Fox buddy.
Dude, look at that. Look at that boosted Civic.
Oh, whoa.
What the hell? That thing's freaking sick. Damn. That thing's actually pretty legit.
Phew. What's up, guys? So we got it. It's in the trunk. Got a Saleen Supercharger. Saleen Supercharger. So I might pull over to check it out. And so I want to see what it looks like. But yeah, dude, I'm super stoked. I hope everything goes well with it. I know it's probably going to be missing some stuff and I'm going to have to do some stuff on it, but that's okay. Got it for a pretty good price. And we're stoked. The guy's super nice. He's actually going to go buy a ProCharger kit right now with the money that he just sold from that. And then, yeah, so he's going to go buy a ProCharger kit. We got some boosted boys. He knows a 2-valve bullet. And I met him at Fast Lords. Oh my gosh, Jesus. Time to start making videos of installing this thing. So just stay tuned for that. I'll be making videos. I have no idea what I'm doing. I have like, I don't even know if I have everything. So I know I'm gonna have to get a dyno tuned or whatever. But stay tuned, guys. Thanks for watching, and more to come. A lot more to come. Boost is to come. Oh, brother.